Welcome to AI Video Mastery. In this class, you'll go from a simple idea to finished AI video you can confidently publish. This class is for creators who want to make AI videos but feel stuck or overwhelmed. If you've tried tools before and ended up with weak or random results, you're in the right place. You'll learn a clear system built on 3 core pillars: choosing the right direction, writing prompts that work, and turning images into finished videos. You'll identify what to create, generate strong prompts, pick the right AI, create images, turn them into video clips, and combine them into longer pieces. By the end, you'll complete a polished AI video using the exact workflows taught in this class, and you will have prompts and examples you can reuse at any time. I recommend watching videos in order because every lesson builds onto the previous one. You can control the volume and the playback speed of every video to learn at your own pace. If you get stuck, have any questions, be sure to drop them in the Q&A section below. Just make sure to check the existing questions first, because there's a good chance that the question you want to ask has already been answered in detail. At some point, you'll be asked to leave a review. Please wait until you've had a chance to really experience the material. Your honest feedback helps to improve the course and better serve you and future students. Thanks again for joining this class. I'm genuinely excited to help you create professional AI videos and to give you the confidence to use them in projects, whether personal or clients-based. Let's jump into the first lesson.